Moment would be the 7 days that I spent with my co-contestants in Miss South India. That was a very beautiful and mesmerizing moment. Front of it. So I never knew that pageantry was something you have to do or I'll be able to do, but it was just luck by chance maybe that I went into that field. So it can be. Hi everyone, this is Aishwarya S, Miss South India 2020 and you're watching me on Journey Together by Nasiba and Mesfar. So hello everyone, I am Aishwarya Saju, Miss South India 2020. So I come from an army background, so pretty much every 3 years I travel around the country, which I love doing. Traveling is something I really like doing. Apart from which, I'm a BTech graduate and presently working in an IT company. That's all about it. Thinking about that, when you go back to the time when I was a small kid, I was always very enthusiastic about cameras and standing in front of it. So I never knew that pageantry was something you have to do or I'll be able to do, but it was just luck by chance maybe that I went into that field. So it can be a luck. So getting into modeling, as I said before, I like getting clicked and standing in front of the camera. So that's something I like doing it. So apart from that, I did few photo shoots with my friends and did few fashion show in my school. So school and college, so which kind of encouraged me to walk on the ramp and in front of a large amount of audience. So I think because of that, I like doing it. Most of us will share one of the common inspiration, that will be Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. Maybe because we share a common name from her childhood, I've had this thing of always following her, from how she was so down to earth even after making our country so proud. And she's the one person I think has got the most number of, like, the way she presents herself and the most number of viewers who likes to listen to her talking, no matter how high she has reached in her life, how down to earth she is. I think that's one of the best feature any human being can have. I have gone to many auditions, but one or the other way, in 1 or 2 rounds, I used to get disqualified. So I thought I lacked something within me. So I went to this pageant training called as Cocoberry in Mumbai. So I went there, it's like a 10-day course and they taught me all the basics. I think that kind of helped me a lot. And it's not necessary that all of you have to go for that. And you can actually go to YouTube because YouTube has every damn thing that you want to search. So YouTube will be one of the best option for all of you guys who is looking for it. Honestly, no, I did not, because all of the students and participants with me were so beautiful and amazing and confident. But it's just, as I said, luck by chance, I would say. That moment is something so surreal because I cannot express in my words as such, because that's like the whole body is full of goosebumps and you feel like the crown is in your head. You feel like the whole world is yours. That is the happiest moment, I think. Okay, so I had like quite of 3 rounds. The first round was the introduction round with the sari. Then after which we were selected into a red cocktail dress. So the red cocktail dress, in that top 6 was selected, and after that we had a black dress, black gown, So after the background, we were supposed to write down the answers for the question answer round, and then the winner was selected from that. We had subtitles and then the final winners. So I think they were more confident than me in this. So they were always behind my back, like, I'm sure you're gonna win it. But still, when you are with so many contestants who are so beautiful and encouraging, you don't really expect it. But my parents and my family and my friends as such were always supportive, and they were very, very excited. Actually, I should say more than me. So the message is simple, guys. As long as you're confident and you want to just express yourself the way you are, you cannot, if you think that you're gonna, just act it out in front of the camera, it's not gonna help it out. Just be yourself, be happy and be confident. Confident is the best crown you can wear. I would say I love to sleep, so the first thing I would do is just sleep. Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum, I'm a big time Shah Rukh Khan fan, so all his movies are something I'll watch 10-15 times. One of the best moments would be the 7 days that I spent with my co-contestants in South India. That was very beautiful and mesmerizing moments. I think one of the superpower that I would want to have is to read people's mind. Because you never know what mood the other person is and you don't want to mess their mood up. So I think if I know the other person's mood, maybe I can, talk to them based on that, in which they and me both will be beneficial at the same time. As well as, you can help each other out. So I think that's one of the superpower I would want to have. I can talk about my life, maybe the travel, because as I said before, I travel every 3 years with my parents, so I can talk about the places and the people and the conversation I had with them, so that's something I can keep talking 24/7. The basic skincare routine I follow is aloe vera and rose water. I think that does wonders to your skin and it can be used in any skin type that you want. So that's one of the basic skincare I use. Okay, something that I hate about myself is I become too connected to people very soon and I become very loyal to them and very selfless, which I think sometimes has a negative approach because I get emotionally attached to them. And something I love about myself is my confidence, because no matter how much the other person tries to degrade me, I try to stay positive and be confident as usual. Thank you. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.